Okay, when I stop comparing myself to others, I open up possibility. Oh my gosh. That's going to be a podcast episode. I'm telling you right now. Okay, for those of you who don't listen to my show, go listen. The podcast is Unleash Your Strengths. Okay, number 5. Where does this person really roll from? Futuristic. Bam. Okay, all right. This person loves to be in the clouds. Number 6, self-assurance. Whoops. That's 2 words, Eddie. Self-assurance. Okay, number 7, command. Damn. This person is pretty intense. Ideation.